Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add adjustments to your GIF created by the GIF Maker application, such as selecting its speed and its direction. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the either the create or the GIF buttons to select a GIF, and then tap on the pictures that you want to include. Here is your GIF created, and if you want to make adjustments, click on the adjust button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Here you can select its direction, such as forward, loop, or backward, so it will be played backwards. You can select its speed down below by adjusting it on this scale or slide. Here you can see the speed, or check out the speed. So if you are satisfied with it, just simply tap on the this button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will be able to save it by tapping on the save button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.